Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever is blessed with the ability to say these words at the time of death, the fire will not touch him. Al-Silsilatu Sahiha. La ilaha illallah. Wallahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Wahdahu. La ilaha illallah. Wahdahu la sharika lahu. La ilaha illallah. Lahul mulku wa lahul hamd. La ilaha illallah. Wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. There is no God except Allah, and He is the greatest. There is no God except Allah. He is alone. There is no God except Allah. He is alone with no partner. There is no God except Allah. To Him belongs the dominion, and to Him is all the praise. There is no God except Allah, and there is no might nor power except by Allah. Al-Silsilatu Sahiha.